Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Kia Sportage. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. Carefully position the donor vehicle so it is close enough for the jumper cables to reach both batteries, but do not let the vehicles touch. Now, let's connect the positive cable. Find the positive terminal on your Kia Sportage's dead battery. It's typically marked with a plus sign and often has a red cover. Securely attach one red clamp to this positive terminal. Then, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the working donor battery. Ensure all connections are firm and secure. Next, we'll connect the negative cable. Take one black clamp and attach it firmly to the negative terminal of the donor battery, usually marked with a minus sign. For the other black clamp, find an unpainted metal surface on your Kia Sportage's engine block or chassis. This spot should be away from the battery and any moving parts. This provides a good ground connection and helps prevent sparks. With all cables connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Kia Sportage's battery. After this, try starting your Sportage. Once it starts, keep it running for at least 20 minutes. To disconnect, remove the black clamp from your Sportage's metal surface first, then the black clamp from the donor battery. Finally, remove the red clamps, positive first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.